That's where you tend to have like the most amount of darkness.
But वो और ये जो नीचे ये center की चीज़ है थोड़ी overline.
Flick it to my right.
One cotton round and take a little bit on this thing, and then just.
So after that, I'm going to go in with my second layer of highlighter.
It's going to melt the product.
It's genius! Hi everyone, it's Shalini. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing and trying everyday makeup hacks by beauty creators, beauty influencers and makeup creators in general. This is like a series already on our channel. मैंने try किया हुआ है Bollywood celebrities के makeup hacks. I've tried Pakistani celebrities के makeup hack also. While I was doing research for this video, I came across some really weird and unique way our influencers and creators like to do their everyday makeup routine. And उन्हीं सबको merge करके हम लोग एक makeup routine create करेंगे. So without further ado, let's begin. So for the base makeup, I'll be trying Mridul Sharma's base makeup routine. So Mridul is known for making lifestyle, skincare and makeup related videos. Her aesthetics are something she's known for, and she seems like a very well organized person. So she used two different shades of concealer for her base routine. One is a darker shade and one is a lighter shade. She's going to be using the darker shade to color correct basically, which is something that I sometimes like to prefer. But usually मैं ऐसे orange color corrector या peach color corrector use करती हूँ. This is also a great hack that you can use a darker shade concealer which is like 1 or 2 shades darker to your skin tone. So let's follow the way she's doing.
So I'll start off by putting this in the inner corners because that's where you tend to have like the most amount of darkness. So that's what I want to correct first, and then I have a little bit of pigmentation on my upper lips. Most of us do. And then a little bit here I have some like scarring, and then yeah, of course I'm breaking out, you guys can see that. I just do a little bit here, and then the same thing on the other side, just a little bit. I'm going in with the lighter concealer just so that everything matches my skin in the end. Again यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा, and then यहाँ पे भी, like so, and just blend everything in. I'm gonna kind of stipple it like so, and then a little bit of like windshield.
Part is done, then whatever product is left, she uses that on her forehead. And just like me, her forehead is also darker than the rest of her face, which is true for me as well. So I try to avoid foundation or concealer in general in here for everyday makeup looks, and that's what I meant, you know, like she and I have like a very similar skin tone.
And then with whatever is left on my brush, I'll just take it on my forehead. So my forehead is like 3 or 4 shades darker than the rest of my face.
My base routine is done. It looks and feels extremely lightweight. Some of the acne marks are still peeking through, which is fine because it's like a everyday base. जो pigmentation था lips के आसपास वो नहीं दिख रहा है क्योंकि हम लोग ने एक darker shade का concealer use किया. Okay, there is a change of setup and background. पहले मैं natural light के साथ film कर रही थी. This camera captures natural light में my skin beautifully. अब मैं studio light में ring light के साथ film कर रही हूँ. The reason being बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा आंधी तूफान वाला माहौल हो चुका है and natural light was fluctuating a lot. Let's just move on to blush and highlight. I'll be using liquid blush and highlight, और hack हम लोग follow करने वाले अलाना पांडे का. Damn, Alana is so gorgeous. वो lifestyle और vlog content बनाते हैं with her husband Ivar. So इनका triple layer highlighter and blush hack है जहाँ पे वो 3 layer of highlighter use करने वाली है, 2 liquid का और 1 powder का. It looks and seems like a lot, but let's just see how that will look on my skin.
Change up the shade depending on my mood. I'm kind of feeling bronzy today, so we're gonna go with this shade. So I usually put 3 layers of highlighter. I'm gonna go in with the liquid first on my cheekbones, nose, forehead.
पहले लेयर ऑफ हाइलाइटर में ही स्किन इतनी ग्लोई लग रही है. अभी सेट किया नहीं है मैंने फेस, हो सकता है सेट करने के बाद और टोन डाउन हो जाएगा. देन शी गोज अहेड विद अ पीच टोन का ब्लश.
And I love any kind of peachy blush. I feel like it's perfect for my skin tone. I've seen so many videos on the internet on how you place your blush on your cheekbones can change the structure of your face. If you place it higher up on your cheekbones, it gives you a more lifted look. I personally like to place it somewhere in the middle, and I also like to put a little bit on my nose.
Looking so dewy and glowy, but we gotta do another layer of highlight.
So after that, I'm gonna go in with my second layer of highlighter.
That is a lot, Shalini.
The reason I do this is by the time I blend it out, I feel like the blush has taken over the highlighter and it isn't that prominent anymore. So I go in with a second layer of highlighter.
And now I look like a bulb. It's a lot of highlighter, but we are not done yet. We need to use powder highlight also. She is going to use a champagne gold color ka highlight, taking some in a brush.
So I'm going to use the champagne shade on my cheekbones, and they have this pink highlighter that I like to add a little bit on my blush.
So my take on this triple layer highlight and blush thing, it's definitely not for me. It's too much highlight on my face. I feel my face is looking like a light bulb right now. For everyday looks, it looks a lot. थोड़ा subtle glow के लिए जो वो पहला layer highlight का use किया था ना liquid का, फिर उसके बाद blush apply किया, वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता. वो एकदम within glow मेरे skin को दे रहा था. I also feel like it's skin type to skin type and product to product भी differ करेगा. We are kind of following the technique she is doing. She has dry skin, I have oily skin. So अगर मैं highlight skip भी करती तो in the end of the day मेरी skin highlighted लगती है. So इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा ब्लश ब्रश का यूज करते हुए ना टोन डाउन कर रही हूँ हल्का हल्का. एंड आई यूजुअली डू नॉट हाईलाइट द टिप ऑफ माई नोज. नेक्स्ट अप आई बी फॉलोइंग आशना हेगडे's makeup hack to set my face. She used cotton round to set her face, which was weirdly interesting to see. So Ashna is known for making her lifestyle content. और जब से उन्होंने अपना चैनल शुरू किया ना तब से I've been following her. She is so pretty and lately she is doing her life in vlogs series. You know what, ये hack बताने से पहले उन्होंने बोल दिया था कि हो सकता है कि जो मेकअप लवर्स है उनको पसंद ना आए ये hack.
The beauty people might not approve of my hack.
Banana powder, cotton round. She used 2 fingers like that.
One cotton round and take a little bit on this thing, and then just apply under my eye like this, and then I bring it down to my niche wala part. Then I go around my face a little bit with the excess product, just around my face. Wherever you think you tend to sweat or get oily, I think apply more powder on that part.
Okay, जो excess product है मैं उसे थोड़ी देर में remove करूँगी. मैं इससे remove नहीं करूँगी because it is kind of picking up the highlighter that I have applied. So this kind of work kind of does not work for me. It definitely has set my face, but वो smoothness मुझे वो feel नहीं आ रहा है जैसे कि वो powder puff में आता है. And इसमें ना खुरदरापन सा आ चुका है क्योंकि cotton round है. I mean I won't do this again, to be honestly speaking. I'm so sorry Ashna. ये जो excess powder दिख रहा है ना वो मैं brush से हटा देती हूँ. See कितना easily हट गया. Cotton round से करने चाहती तो it would have just messed up my highlighter and blush. Moving on to eye look, and this one is pretty exciting. I'll be following Malvika Satlane's eye makeup look, the way she likes to do it for events and everyday makeup look as well. The kind of eyeshadow look and tricks she likes to do, and for mascara also she has shown a very interesting trick. I've been following Malvika for more than 5 to 6 years. She makes lifestyle content, makeup, skincare as well, and she really makes detailed makeup and skincare related videos. So जो look उन्होंने create किया उसके लिए उन्होंने एक neutral tone का palette use किया. So I'll be using this one, and we only need 3 makeup brushes to create this look.
This is what you need, okay? And I'm just putting a neutral brown color shadow all over my eye very lightly. Again, the idea is to just grab a very big brush, just put it all over your eye for some color.
My eyeshadow is looking much lighter than her eyeshadow, probably because we have different undertones.
Now that I use this color all over my lid, I'm gonna move on to slightly darker color, which is this one. Okay, so I'm taking that one and I'm putting it on the outer corner of my eye. You want to start at your lower lash, and then you just want to go up and just blend it. Do not move ahead, just stick here. Stay here and just make sure that it is blended out. It is the slightest difference. I'm telling you, you won't even be able to see it, but that's the whole point. Pick up the same shadows, mirror the same thing on my bottom lash line. So all the way here, I'm picking up the same darker color, mixing it a little bit with this neutral cocoa color, and I'm just going to put that on the outer side, only towards the outer side, and blend it in.
I definitely feel the eye look is coming together. It's like a brown, slightly smoky eye. She also uses a brown eyeliner. I bought a brown eyeliner just for this video. I usually don't apply. I used to apply, but I bought one. This is what we're going to be using.
What I do is I just sort of lay it flat onto my eye, and I just softly go on the line and just take your hand and just smudge it.
Okay, I can definitely see a difference of applying a brown eyeliner versus the black eyeliner.
This elevates the eye. It's not dark black, it's not intimidating, it's light, soft, sexy, sultry. Same thing on this side, lay the pencil flat and pull it out.
So before applying the mascara, she uses eyelash color, and that is what I'm gonna do.
1, 2, 3, look up. It really makes a difference, you guys. It really does. 1, 2, 3.
And there is a very interesting way she applied her mascara by placing the mirror like that and looking down and then applying the mascara. I've never done this trick. Let's do.
I place the mirror underneath like that because then it's a cleaner application, and I roll my mascara's lid. So all the product goes onto the lashes. Okay, this is just, I don't know, everybody has their way of doing things, you know. This is mine, like roll and apply. Okay.
ओके थोड़ा सा ब्लंडर यहाँ पे हुआ है, वो तो अभी सूखेगा तो रिमूव हो जाएगा. बट आई फ्रीकिंग love this because there is no transfer of mascara on my eyelid, which usually happens, you know, when I just place the mirror somewhere here and try to apply mascara. This is a really great trick. And then few seconds later वो एक साइड अपने eyelashes को push कर रही हैं.
Flick it to my right. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm winging it out, you guys. Wing it out, out, out. Okay, when you do that, it goes that way and it just lifts the eye.
Look at this eye versus this eye. This looks so fuller and pretty. I love this hack.
So lower lash line I usually don't go crazy on. I just do a little bit.
This eye look is so pretty, but what I'm really into right now is the mascara hack that Malvika showed us. It's genius. I'm going to include this in my makeup routines. Look at my eyelashes. I'm loving it. For setting my makeup, I'll be following one of my favorite beauty creators, Smita Deepak's makeup hack. She has so much of makeup knowledge. She has so much of makeup knowledge और उनकी टेक्निक्स इतने ईज़ी और तरीके से वो हमको बताती है ना कि ऐसा लगता है कि वो जो भी लुक क्रिएट करे हम बहुत ईजिली क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. I really find her makeup videos to be knowledgeable and therapeutic. So what she does is that she uses makeup sponge and setting spray. Instead of using directly, she uses that on the sponge. It's a technique I've used before actually, and it does work.
Rather than spraying it directly on my face, I'm going to spray it on my sponge and press the sponge on my face. This step will not only lock your makeup, it's going to melt the products and give you more of a skin-like finish.
You know, कुछ setting spray के पम्प इतने खराब होते हैं, बहुत गंदे तरीके से स्प्रे होते हैं और आपका मेकअप पूरा खराब कर देते हैं. This hack can really work for those kind of setting spray. काफी अच्छे से मेरा मेकअप अब सेट हो चुका है. This hack does work. I don't know why I stopped doing this. I should just bring this back in my makeup routine. For lipstick, I'll be following Queen Quirky's lipstick hack. She's so down to earth. Every time I meet her, I have this connection vibe with her. She creates lifestyle, beauty, skincare, all sort of content on her channel. So Aditi अपने upper और lower lips को हल्का सा overline करती हैं. And this is the trick that she have shared in her YT short and couple of her makeup videos also. I'm going to be following one of her makeup videos जहाँ पे उन्होंने ये share किया है.
मैं अपना क्यूपिड्स बो और ये जो नीचे ये सेंटर की चीज़ है थोड़ी ओवरलाइन करती हूँ एंड देन बाकी की लाइन मैं अपने लिप्स के साथ ही रखती हूँ जस्ट लाइक दिस एंड सेम नीचे. लिप्स आर लाइंड एंड यू गाइस कैन इंस्टेंटली सी पहले से अभी में काफी पाउटी लिप्स लग रहे हैं.
अपने क्यूपिड्स वो के ऊपर लाइन बनाया है बाय स्ट्रेचिंग माय लिप्स. उसके बाद शी आल्सो लाइक्स टू फिल इट इन. नो फॉलो अप विद अ ब्राउन टोन का न्यूड लिपस्टिक ऑल ओवर माय लिप्स. नाउ आई रियली अंडरस्टूड व्हाट क्वर्की मींस. ओवरलाइन करने की वजह से यहाँ और नीचे पाउटी सा फील और वो लुक आ रहा है. इट्स नॉट टू मच ऑन द फेस. आई नो आई ऑलरेडी हैव बिगर लिप्स बट यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. पाउटी दिख रहे हैं मेरे लिप्स एंड आई लाइक दिस हैक. आई हैव डन दिस बिफोर आल्सो आई फील ऑन माय चैनल. आई एम गोना डू दिस अगेन फॉर श्योर. Those are all the hacks that I wanted to show and try in today's video by beauty creators and influencers. I do feel the end result is so pretty. I won't say the end makeup is everyday makeup look kind of makeup, but कुछ tricks जो हम लोग ने आज के वीडियो में सीखे, मैंने जो सीखे, I would definitely try to include that in my everyday looks and in general makeup videos. You know, I really wanted to try Aditi's eye makeup look that I've seen her do, like those golden smoky eyes she does, but I ended up doing Malvika's eye makeup look because I wanted to try everyday makeup hacks by creators. But let me know if you want to see part 2. We can definitely do a part 2. I'm so excited already for the part 2. मुझे बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में कौन से क्रिएटर का हैक आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा. चैनल से पहले सब्सक्राइब कर देना मेरे चैनल को. अगर आपने नहीं किया है तो लाइक कर देना इस वीडियो को. I'm gonna see you guys pretty soon with a brand new content on my channel. Bye everyone. Take care.